In today's tutorial, we'll be diving deep into one of the most versatile and fundamental feature of Photoshop, the blush tools. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding how to make the most of this tool can significantly enhance your digital art and photo editing skills. So let's get started. So before we delve into the details, let's take a quick look at the brush tools available in Photoshop. We have the brush tools and also the pencils tool, colors, and so the deep replacement tools, mixer, blush, and more. These tools serve a unique purpose, and today we will explore their functionalities, settings, and how you can leverage them to bring your creative versions to life. So the first and foremost, let's cover the basics brush tools. I will guide you through adjustment brush sizes, hardness, and opacity. So these settings are crucial for achieving precision and control in your work, and we will also explore the brush preset pickers where you can choose from a brushed array or brush shapes to suit your specific needs. So now I want to use the brush tool, and we can find in the brush tool in the toolbar and switches in the left toolbar, and you can find there is a say the brush tools. Click over here. So when I click over, now it's activated, and if I drag it in here, now it's worked. Before that, I'll make this image as a duplicate. So Control plus J for duplicate this, and this is the duplicate one, and this is the original one. Now you can change the opacity, and you can also play around this option bar by setting option. Like if I start with this one, and let me choose the foreground color and hit on the OK, and here we have now this one. Now if I use this, the opacity, and just decrease this one, so what happened, now you can see the changes of the brushes. Okay, now if I increase this one, and you can now see it changes is here and follows. If you change here, this follows, and you can also increase, so it can be a little bit different with this settings. Okay, you can change here the normal. Instead of the normal, you can change the dragons and it will give you the dragons, and or you can change here the substance highlights, and it can give you this one. Okay, so this way you can easily use your brushes. Now if I just compare, just changes this one. Okay, so the brush tools, sometimes it helps you, or when you combinations with the other tools, it can be help you to master it with the or in the fair Photoshop with the difference or different design. Okay, so you can apply your brush tools by settings, and you can choose here the brush tools. Which kind of brush tools do you want to use? You can easily select here and can change the hardness and here, and you can also change the brush tool size by using it, and can give you the different one. Okay, so that is for today's tutorial on comprehensive guide to mastering the brush tools in Photoshop. So I hope this tutorial will help you to explore the endless creative possibilities that these tools offer. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.